Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're learning 100 super simple English sentences for your daily life. No grammar, no stress, just speaking. Ready? Let's go. I wake up.
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I sit up.
I sit up.
I get up.
I get up.
I put on my slippers.
I put on my slippers.
I open the door.
I open the door.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I turn on the water.
I turn on the water.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I use a towel.
I use a towel.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I put on my pants.
I put on my pants.
I wear my socks.
I wear my socks.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I make some tea.
I make some tea.
I eat some bread.
I eat some bread.
I clean the plate.
I clean the plate.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I take my bag.
I take my bag.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I open the gate.
I open the gate.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I walk fast.
I walk fast.
I wait here.
I wait here.
I see a bus.
I see a bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I see many people.
I see many people.
I look at my watch.
I look at my watch.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.
I cross the road.
I cross the road.
I reach my office.
I reach my office.
I say hello.
I say hello.
I sit down.
I sit down.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I type words.
I type words.
I read an email.
I read an email.
I write a note.
I write a note.
I use a pen.
I use a pen.
I answer the phone.
I answer the phone.
I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
I drink some coffee.
I drink some coffee.
I feel busy.
I feel busy.
I check the time.
I check the time.
I finish my work.
I finish my work.
I close my laptop.
I close my laptop.
I leave the room.
I leave the room.
I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
I find a seat.
I find a seat.
I eat a sandwich.
I eat a sandwich.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
I feel full.
I feel full.
I take a rest.
I take a rest.
I walk outside.
I walk outside.
I buy a drink.
I buy a drink.
I talk to a friend.
I talk to a friend.
I smile a lot.
I smile a lot.
I go back to work.
I go back to work.
I use the internet.
I use the internet.
I learn new things.
I learn new things.
I help my friend.
I help my friend.
I tidy my desk.
I tidy my desk.
I'm off work.
I'm off work.
I walk to the shop.
I walk to the shop.
I buy some milk.
I buy some milk.
I buy some vegetables.
I buy some vegetables.
I pay the money.
I pay the money.
I go home.
I go home.
I open the lock.
I open the lock.
I put down my bag.
I put down my bag.
I pet my dog.
I pet my dog.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I cut the meat.
I cut the meat.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I eat my dinner.
I eat my dinner.
I watch the news.
I watch the news.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I water the flowers.
I water the flowers.
I feed my dog.
I feed my dog.
I play a game.
I play a game.
I walk my dog.
I walk my dog.
I get warm water.
I get warm water.
I have a bath.
I have a bath.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I wear my pajamas.
I wear my pajamas.
I sit in the armchair.
I sit in the armchair.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I set the alarm.
I set the alarm.
I turn off the TV.
I turn off the TV.
I go to the bedroom.
I go to the bedroom.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I use a pillow.
I use a pillow.
I lie on the bed.
I lie on the bed.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep.
100 sentences. Done. No grammar, just speaking. How many did you remember? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon. Happy learning!